Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jay Nadari here. If you're new here, make sure you go down below and subscribe because we're almost at 2K subscribers. I think I'm like 20 subscribers away or 10 subscribers away. I don't know, but I'm real close. So make sure you go subscribe. And if you're returning, make sure you push that post notifications down below. I think I want to start calling y'all girlies, but I just always feel like it's also boys on here watching, but it's more girls than it is boys. So we can just be girlies. And I love calling people girly anyway. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. But today's video is all about romanticizing your life while working a 9 to 5. You guys already probably know if you're on my channel frequently or seen my videos. I am now 1 year into my post-grad life. I've been working at my corporate job for about 9 months now, and I don't know if you can tell on my channel, but I'm still young, turn lit girly that I've been all my life. And how I do that is in these simple ways that I'm going to show you all in romanticizing your life and not making your life all about work or just these responsibilities that you have, because life is supposed to be fun. It's not that serious. It's never that serious. So let's get into the video.
Look what you look. It's like '06 in your backyard. I'm in love with Jade. And I'm still in love just when it's that real, when it doesn't fade. And my
Romanticizing your life means enjoying every single part and aspect of your life, seeing the good and the bright side of every single day task, little things, big things, and just making it all beautiful, because at the end of the day, this is your life and you should be grateful for every moment that you get. What we may seem and look at as such like a common thing is a blessing and a miracle to some. So let's be grateful. Let's appreciate those things and make it something that we can appreciate every single day and just look at it as something that's beautiful. So one way that I romanticize my life and my day-to-day schedule outside of my 9 to 5, buying groceries. I love going to a cute grocery store and going down the fruit aisle, and it's like so many different fruits with different colors. You got the lemons, you got the limes, grapefruits are coming out. Like everything is just so cute. Pomegranates. So me personally, I love going grocery shopping. It is a luxury to me to be able to fuel your body with nutritions that aren't McDonald's, Wendy's, fast food, be able to cook yourself a nice, good meal. So after work on Monday, I went to the grocery store and I got me a nice selection of different things to cook, from steaks to mashed potatoes, salmon. I say salmon, but salmon. Got me some salmon, got me some asparagus, some salad, lettuce, eggs, turkey sausage, pancake mix, cinnamon rolls to put in the oven maybe one day with a little, wine. I didn't get no wine because, that's just not what I'm doing right now. But these are just things that I feel like are romantic, and that it's just so simple and like a monthly or every other week task that you would just think is like a chore, but you don't have to think of it like a chore. You can think of it as a reward to you, your body, and your refrigerator in your pockets, because it's better than eating out every single day. Another luxury that I didn't film, but it is definitely a luxury, is cooking yourself a good meal. This week with all of my groceries, I plan on making a nice steak with some asparagus, with some mashed potatoes, my salmon, macaroni, and green beans. Ooh, so good. It's true. I got some stuff to make some nachos, a little fun meal day. And you don't have to always just be cooking for your boyfriend, cooking for your family, cooking for somebody else when somebody comes over. Cook for yourself, fuel your body, and post your plate. Put it on a nice plate, a cute plate. I have the cutest dishes and things of that sort, and it's all linked down below in my Amazon storefront. Me personally, when I'm also like putting away my groceries, I like putting away my groceries because I have the cutest things to put my groceries in. It's so cute and it's so like organized and aesthetic to me. All these things are linked in my Amazon storefront, where you can find a link down below, and you can see everything that I use in my pantry and how I keep everything organized. But that's another thing why grocery shopping is so fun and just, girly to me because I can go home and put it in my orange juice in my little jar that says juice, and not just keep it in the ugly little orange juice container that they have at the store. I'm putting my pancake mix in my container that says pancake mix. I'm putting my pasta in my container that says pasta. Putting my spices in my spice drawer with all the labels and stuff on it, which you can find on my Amazon storefront. Just spices up your life and adds a little extra razzle dazzle, Because you're a razzle dazzle type of girl. You're not no basic girl. You do things a little bit different. A little bit different. Another thing that I think is just so cute and girly and a romantic thing to do for yourself throughout the week is get yourself some flowers. I personally go to get my flowers from the grocery store. And when I tell y'all, I spent $10 on my flowers this week. $10 from the grocery store. That is a meal at McDonald's. So I skipped out on the meal at McDonald's, got myself some groceries, and then got myself some flowers. These flowers were so cute. I just pick them up from my grocery store. They're usually between like $10 to $15, depending on which ones you get. Me personally, I don't think flowers have a scent to them, or maybe I'm just like getting, maybe because they're $10 flowers, that's why they don't have like a scent. Like I don't think flowers have like a cute scent, but I think they look really cute in my house and as like decoration pieces, and I think that's cute. Picking out a different set, like I think they look cute. So that's why I like flowers, not really be for the smell. I like it for the thought of it. It's the thought that counts. If you're looking for some flowers, go to your local grocery store. You don't have to go to a flower shop where they're charging you 30, 40, $50 for some flowers. You can go to the grocery store and your flowers can last you 2 weeks. My flowers usually last me 2 weeks. Don't wait on nobody to get you flowers. Don't wait on Valentine's Day, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Father's Day. Don't wait on anything. Get it for yourself and romanticize your life on your own. You don't have to have a romantic life just because there's a partner in it. You are your partner in crime every single day of your life since you was born until you. Another way to romanticize your life, which I honestly don't do that much, and I really am working on it, and I know it is good for you, but I'm working on it, is getting ready for the day. Putting on a nice outfit to go to work, not only for the weekends, but to get up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, go into the office. Put on something cute, even if you're just joining a bunch of meetings. It's Monday, it's Friday, it's work from home day. Put on a nice top or something, even if it's just a comfortable two-piece set. When you look good, you feel good. When you look good, you get better things. People like people who put themselves together and look like something at the end of the day. The world is very, very vain. The first thing that someone is looking at is your appearance. Everything else is the second and third impression. The first impression is how you present yourself and how you look. So present yourself well. And again, that's what I'm working on for myself, because when I tell you I be leaving the house looking a hot mess. Y'all probably see it because I be vlogging my life and I don't really care to show y'all all the glitz and glams all the time. I'm really real with y'all every single day. Sometimes too real. Like I be too real on here. Like this is not going to be seen by millions of people. Yes, I said it, foreshadowing. Yes, I be a little too real with y'all. Like honestly, I do need to start coming and presenting myself in my best way. Even though like I'm always, of course, we're always cutesy girls. Whether we're looking like that or whether we're looking like actual bums, we're still the baddies. Like we're still those girlies, okay? We're still cute. But it is better to show up as your best self in the rooms that you want to be in and just look how you want to be treated. I'm sorry. People get treated better when they look better. It is simple, simple math. It's simple, simple math. It's terrible. It is. It is terrible. But that's just how the world works. When you look good, you feel good, feel empowered, and you feel like that girl. Simple. Another thing that I use to romanticize my life while working a 9 to 5 is after 5 p.m., I'm living a completely different life. I don't know nothing about what happened from 9 to 5. It does not even concern me. If I had a bad day at work, that day is over. And at 5 o'clock, it's a new day. Okay. So that is another way to romanticize your life. If you feel like your 9 to 5 life is just as boring old plain day to day 1 2 3. Once 5 o'clock hits, make it something different. Go out to eat, go to happy hour, go home, work on a passion project. Do something that does not include what just made your life boring. Do something that makes you feel good. Do a self-care night every Wednesday or in the middle of the week as a pick-me-up, because we cannot be the people to wait all the way till Friday to have an exciting life. What are we doing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? Nothing? No. We need to be making our lives exciting every single day, because we're not wasting any days that the Lord has gave us. So some things I did after work this week just to make my week a little bit more exciting is I had a facial this week, and this is just something I feel like is just romanticizing your life, doing things to take care of yourself, whether it be getting your hair done, getting your nails done, getting a massage. Y'all, it is a massage place in New York City that does $30 massages for an hour, hot stones and everything. Foot massages for like $30. I forgot the name of it. I think it's called Chelsea's Wellness or something like that. But this place is top notch. I haven't been there since Valentine's Day. If you haven't seen my Valentine's Day vlog, me and my friend Hallie did a couples massage. Yes, me and my friend Hallie did a couples massage. And it was so good, girl. So good for like $30. Thank you. Thank you. I just don't say I never put y'all on. But stuff like that. This week I did a facial with Skin Savior in New York City, and that was such a good experience. Facials are a little bit more expensive. I think I paid like $150 for that, but that's just like a monthly thing to do for your skin. I've been needing to go to a dermatologist, figure out what works for my skin. I have pretty good skin. I don't have like major breakouts, but sometimes you just need to go the extra mile and go see a actual professional and just get yourself a facial, get some extractions done, because you can't do everything at home. Yes, you can get some stuff done at home. You can do self-care nights, but sometimes it's good to just get a service done for yourself, and that's a way to romanticize your life, because someone else is doing something for you. You just feel pampered. You feel like a queen. You feel like everything is about you, and no one can tell you nothing when people is just on your beck and call, just taking care of you. And I like that. So that is one way that I romanticize my life, is by getting facials, getting manicures, pedicures, getting my eyebrows done, getting my hair done, getting my nails done, anything like that. But y'all see my skin? She's cute, isn't she? I won't makeup, by the way. But it's still cute underneath all this too about it. A passion of mine is dance, and it has been for a really long time. So I just suggest to romanticize your life, tap into your passions, whether it's you like to do blogs, or you like to garden, or you like to dance, you like to act. Go to some classes, romanticize your life, feel like a star for 2 hours, take a hip hop combo. I took a class with Tariq the Boom, and I learned Eyes on Us, I think was the combo. I'll probably be posting it on my Instagram, because I'm trying to get more back into dancing and trying to take classes once a week. But that is just something else to romanticize your life. Like, you feel like a whole different person. When I tell you, I feel like two completely different people at my job versus like outside of my job, because I am two completely different people. Like, I'm the same person, but I don't let my work be my life. These are two separate things. It's a work-life balance. These are two separate things that are happening to you at the same time, that include you at the same time, but they're two separate things. And if you let your work consume you as a person, then I don't know. As much as you might like your job or love your job, and that is beautiful, your job should not be everything that you are. Personally, I don't think that's the way to go. But y'all haven't been showing my armpits this whole time? I hope not, because I did not shave. How romantic. Another way to romanticize your life while working a 9 to 5 is to take off. If you feel like your day and your week is just too crazy, too jam-packed, you have too much to do, you can't get nothing done, you feeling stressed, you feeling overworked, use those sick days and use those PTO days. Personally, I feel like sick days are also mental health days. Am I right or am I wrong? I think I'm right. But use those PTO days if you know all about the statistics of it all, and you miss goody two shoes. Don't break the rules. But I think that it's really important to use those sick days. We get like what, 17 to 20 days out of the year to take off. You probably trying to save it up all to the end of the year, like, oh, I don't want to use it all. Schedule it out. Just schedule it out right. I'm pretty sure you're not taking that many dang on trips. I promise you, you're not. And just use some days to actually relax. Because honestly, the way the holidays are set up, it sometimes don't be no holidays for 2 months. Don't be no paid time off for 2 months. You don't got one holiday. Y'all didn't account for one holiday out this whole month. I feel like it should be a holiday. It's a holiday every single month. So the fact that every single month I don't have a day off, at least one day off, I'm looking at y'all sideways. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? That is not romantic at all. That's why we're taking the romanticizing in our own hands and we're getting our power back. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it. And I am not losing none of my days because the only things that they give you is like maybe 3 or 4 days for the next year. And you done lost 17. Crazy. So working a 9 to 5, of course, when you're working these hours, you might feel like you're just giving so much to other people. So the thing I do is like multitask, and I listen to podcasts. I listen to just different motivational things. I listen to fun things on YouTube. I'll listen in on my prayer calls every morning with Real Talk Kim. My favorite podcast right now to listen to while I'm at my desk doing work and stuff is Type A Black Girls, and then also Conversations, something like that. I can't remember the name, but it's with Tyra, and she's also a chef, and I just love her so much. It's like some motivational and just good girl talks that they have. So Type A Black Girls, rich broke girls, I love her too, but I haven't tuned in a minute. And then also I just watch YouTube, like Kai Cenat streamers, Kia Monique, everybody who posts on a day-to-day basis. I be on their stuff, watching their stuff while I'm at work. I be cracking up. People around me probably like, girl, what are you laughing at? And I'm just like, girl, I'm watching my stuff. I'm watching my good sisters. And it just be so good, and it's just like such a breath of fresh air while I'm doing my work. It gets me just, going and in a productive mindset because I'm listening to stuff that fuels me and fuels my energy while I do my work, and I just feel good. And another thing while I'm at my job to like spruce up the day and just get me through the day, because working for 7 hours is a long time. Regardless if you love your job or if you hate your job, 7 hours working in the same building, around the same desk, looking at the same four walls is a lot. Okay. Having lunch with my favorite coworker literally makes my day. Whenever I'm in the office and we are in the office together, we're like, girl, are you here? It's 12:30. Let's go to lunch. And having that 30 minutes of us just chatting, catching up, spilling our work tea, spilling our life tea, and talking and laughing, is just too funny. Shout out to her. You are my girl. I'm so happy that we have each other. Go out for lunch. Go eat you a meal. Stop taking lunch at your desk, please. That work can get done another time. You're not going to miss out on them 30 minutes. I promise you. Go eat your food and go decompress. So I hope these different tips and advice on romanticizing your life on a day-to-day basis while you might be consumed for 7 or 8 hours of your day with working and giving and pouring into someone else's pot. Make sure you're also pouring into your pot and into yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already, because again, we're almost at 2K. And go follow me on all my other platforms so you can see my day-to-day life of how I'm romanticizing it and doing my biggest one possible. My biggest one, okay? And I hope to see you all next week. And thank you for watching. Mwah.